How are you doing, guys? How is everyone doing? Way. Okay, we still have 20 minutes at least. It's still Baloy, the same old Baloy, same. I'm tired. Kirateti Kabaloy. Hi, Momedi Kimudimo. Hi. Cassandra, hi. Jen, how are you guys doing? Guys, it's exhausting. No, I'm exhausted. I'm so done with Baloy, guys. I don't know about you, but me personally, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Like Muzi has done whatever that I've. Yay! Muzi has done it. Muzi has done everything that needs to be done. But Baloy. I've been calling your name. Yes, sis. Yo, guys. I think it's time, guys, that Ubaloy must just throw it away. Yo, because nothing is going well for Baloy, guys. Like, it's not going well. No. Ubaloy is hopeful, ne, that the confessions have been legitly accepted by Judge Rata, even when he is going to do. He's hoping that when he is done with the case, when the case is done, Judge Rata is going to say, you remember that I made a ruling on the confessions. So now I am accepting them fully. Is that what he is hoping for? Because, guys, no. This is not the one. No, guys, this is too much. Ubaloyi is Ubaloyi is irritating me, and I've been saying Ubaloyi is stalling for something. I don't know what. It will reveal itself. Haibo. I suppose he's still gonna go to the pointing outs, guys. I suppose he's still going to go to the pointing outs. Guys, can you come in and then kindly like the live, please, while we wait for them to come back? I think he's still gonna go to the pointing out because, wow. Sanalam, no. What we are going through, it's worse than what Baloy itself is going through with Muzi. I cannot believe that every other day we are finding out how cruel these people are. And I cannot believe that every other day the so-called confession of Muzi is exposing something. Somewhere, I think it was Friday, there was somewhere where Ubaloy read and it said accused, referring to Marco or Makimbi, one of them. Why would the Muzi talk about the accused unless someone else was writing the statement? Guys, and then this week, what we are dealing with is Mboto writing now again, writing Sibia ended school lower level. Isn't it lower primary? Grade 1 to grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. And then grade 4, grade 5. I think it's until grade 4. Isn't that so, guys? Grade 1 to grade 4, that's lower primary. So that's the lower level. Grade 5, 6, 7, that's higher. Hi, guys. Higher. So it's kind of obvious again that Umuzi is telling the truth. In fact, it's obvious Umuzi is telling the truth when he says, I didn't write that. I don't know what's in there even. I was told to sign. Yes, there were questions that were asked. It's just that I won't remember them all. But, son. Exactly. Intermediate is 5 to 8. Lower level, grade 1 to 4. So they were saying Umuzi stated until lower level. Guys, these people under. That is why he keeps choking in that prosecutor box, because he keeps realizing there is no way this person, the last time they went to school was in lower level, grade 1 to 4. I think that's why. Because in his head, he told himself that I'm dealing with a lower primary dropout here. Surprise, surprise, high school is where he went. Oh, Haibo. Guys, did you see a moment of like, what was that? When Rata said Muzi never said that. And Ubaloy was so paralyzed, guys. He was like, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. And then Rata was like, okay, you're reading from his evidence. Okay, but that's not what he said. I listen. Now I listen was told to Baloy. I was so shocked. I was so shocked when I heard uh, 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 I listen was said to Baloy. Like, I think Jadrata every week, Abomnisi should tell him, I see what you are doing. You don't act like that when it's me, but when it's Baloy, you do ABCD. I think they should do it every week, guys. They should do it every week, I promise you. No, Manda, Ubalo is still continuing. He's still there. He's still gonna do the pointing out. The other thing that I noticed, he wants to speak about Babuzwane. Babuzwane that could not even point out who's Sibiya here in court. Babuzwane could not even point out who is Sibiya. How dare Ubalo looks down on South Africans, guys. No. No, he looks down on them. One thing that I think should be troubling Rata is that he says he is here to serve justice. If the mother of the deceased say the person that you have is not the right one, that should worry him. If the mother of the deceased said that person is not the right one, it should worry him a lot. He should be worried. I was so happy. I think it is the first time that we heard Senzo's mother speaking for herself, saying, those 5 IQs, they have their own things. But when it comes to my son, they did not kill my son. I was so happy. I was very happy. Those are my highlights of this entire situation. Ay. Sana lam. Son. Guys, let me read your comments before they come back. It's quarter to now. Then I will continue. Okay. Hi, Makasandra. Hi, Dan. Hi, Mometi. Hi, Malusi. Hi, okay. Sisi, thanks to witness C, Kate has been denied bail. Great. Tapsile Molweni, Balo is forcing matters. There's no case. Mkwanazi intervene on behalf of the family. I think he should. Mujalife, hi, how are you? Balo is stalling for a state miracle. But what kind of miracle is he going to get at this late stage? Makaskanti, when did Lion say that was Sibiya he was talking about? He could not even point him out, my dear. Lion could not even point him out. Hi, Zala, you've been scored, Swena. Zala ndiyaphila unjani? Oh, Balo is irritating the whole lot of us. Tapsel, I wish the adult can include his name and be called to testify. Yes. Guys, welcome back. Please make sure that you like and share, comment, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Balo is telling stories. Listen, even the stories are confusing him as its owner. Stefina, I know their biggest mistake was to underestimate Sibiya. And that is why he was underestimating him, because he thought, no, this one is from the lower primary, and on top of that, from the villages, the dusty streets of Nongoma, because they say he's from Nongoma. Little did he know, Sanalam. Mandla, okay, Shemi, please, Mkwana Zingenela, hear the cry of Senzo Meyiwa's mother. She has cried enough. Sekuze kwazwela manje Kim. Yesh. Auntie Meyiwa heard Rata's feelings. I think she did. Oh, I believe she did. Why fetch this old man? Was there no other judges? Why fetch? I think she did. And I'm sure he saw that. The Meyiwa family also raised the fact that they are not with the retired judge. Yep. Makasa Senzo's mom's West Rich Rata, that's why he is quiet. They even came late. What is it that he says he was supposed to read from J what or JP or the JSC? What was he saying when at the beginning, guys? If you heard it, please drop it on the comment section. I want to see. He said something about a document that he had to look into. What document? What was being saying to him? What were they saying to him? Blessings. Why they cuffed Lion when they asked him about those 3 boys? It already tell us they threatened him, then asked him to be a state witness. Sounds like it. Nolwazi hi ifikile imessage kulo mkhufefu wekhehla of if Kelly can testify ingaphela le case. You think so? Mujali Farah Tabalo and Kininda, their days are numbered. They should be. They should be numbered. They should be numbered. Yo, guys, I cannot believe what is happening in the in Judge Ratter's courtroom. Let me see what are other people saying in other sections. Let me go to Twitter. Oh, someone says the answering Paiko says Azim Hambeli Kahle is in Toshem, but his only hope is Ratta, as he knows that Ratta already accepted the confessions as legit. Or Senzo's mom outcries regarding his son can have a case have got Judge Ratta rattled. I've never seen Judge Ratta this quiet, especially with the fact that Senzo's mom voiced her dissatisfaction regarding Advocate Baloyi and Judge Ratta. The mother of the deceased say you have the wrong people in the dock and you continue with your bullshit. La telela shame. This person even tagged NPA, guys. Someone else says next they need to deal with that Senzo Meyiwa mess. What they are putting that family through is inhumane. Oh, Baloyi hiding even court transcripts. What's happening with Ratta and Baloyi? Zapambani Zija. Baloyi is cooking there by Senzo man. Inhlanzi is so crazy. What the hell? What was he saying when he was saying Inhlanzi is so crazy? Yo, guys. Baloyi is so desperate. Akulungi at all. This is the worst straw he is clutching. The guys, someone to do on Nobo wrote, the guys are guilty. This is IQ's number 3 and 5. Check the date, 28 October 2024. Oh, please. IQ's number 3 doesn't have his plates. Come on now. These school questions just backfired on Baloyi's face, showing exactly what Muzi has been saying. They fabricated these things and never asked Muzi. I saw even at Lindamnisi being disappointed, and that pretty face next to him just laughed. What was the question? Okay. No, man, no. As Senzo's mother said, this court is just for drama. Yeah, ne guys. No, it's a lot. Let me read. Let me read. Matsiti, where Seniaqaita now at 2 o'clock or perhaps 5-2. She was fine with the cold case. Then she was fine with 5 innocent boys going down. When good afternoon, people. It has been a long time. Yes, it has, my love. I love the interview. Meyiwa Izolo. Then ask how is Siya the cousin Siya the cousin wherever he is, because he spewed nonsense in that exactly. I wonder how is Siya. Yeah, where is Siya Mia, who told us nonsense in that podcast that he went to? We are not gonna be moved. You know, we are listening to the evidence in court. Christopher Bengu. Oh, why do I suspect I'm going to read something that is out of the Meyiwa? Utinu Christoph. The Meyiwa family should allow the law take its course. Listening to social media experts with their untested conspiracies will not bring them justice. And listening to a cooked framing situation is going to bring them justice. Come on, Christopher. Come on, use your brain, use your mukhod, you say. Don't embarrass yourself online. You are too old for that. Come on, use your brain. Because as people on the internet, we watch the case and we listen to the evidence, and the evidence, there is no way even today There is nowhere where Baloy said, Muzi, you were at the crime scene. Here is proof. Muzi, you were holding a gun. Here is proof. Muzi, there is nothing that he has put on Muzi saying that Muzi is guilty of anything. Nothing. Just like there is not even cell phone evidence that says the guys were at Fosloras in that house, Mzamo section. Nothing. Instead, their phones are proving they were in George Koch in Johannesburg Central. What do you mean, Wena? What do you mean? Christopher, please, don't use your mukhodi. Don't come here and be using brainless, don't, please. There is someone who has been on a call since 1 p.m. Asking Kininda Edmboto, was that auntie talking, not the mother? Both of them, they spoke, ma'am. They both spoke. Noni, do you know how circumstantial evidence works? Christopher, do you understand the evidence that is in court? Do you understand the evidence that is in court? Please say, use your mukhoti, Mtasekai. You look old for this. Use your mukhoti, love, please. Use your mukhoti. You are not using it right now. Take your head out of the sand quickly. Take your head out of the sand. He is a 30% at this one, okay? People playing during proceedings. We listen to that evidence. As we listen to that evidence, Wena Christoph, we know what is in there. We know there is no evidence. The cell phone evidence, we know that it's a lie because Vodacom came and said there was never any call from Kelly Kumalo's numbers to Mfiso Kuhlentoli. Even from Mfiso Kuhlentoli's numbers, there was no call that went to Kelly Kumalo. What evidence are you referring to? What evidence are you referring to? Even the firearm, right now, today, the head of ballistic there in Silverton, ballistic place lab is talking about that way. In fact, he is going step by step. Go listen to that, then you will understand that Mangena lied in the church of Rata. He lied. You will understand. In fact, at this point, I wish there is someone who's going to open a case against Mangena so that he gets arrested, because what we are hearing there by Madlanga and what this one Mangena did in the courtroom of Rata, two different things, Sanalam. Two different things. The state has nothing against these guys. No matter what Judge Rata can say or do, but the state has absolutely nothing against the guys. Please. Yeah, but now Sia's mother is speaking the same language as the Meyiwas. Apparently, the lady that was there is not Sia's mom, but also another sister to Senzo's mom. All state evidence has been disproven. They never had any evidence. Leave him, Itomorosa, uyabona ngombala, yeah. Christopher is simply repeating others and their socials. He's got no point to make. He's not even a point to begin with. Let's not even make him a point. So, guys, I'm gonna do a video. Our uncle has talked about what I was referring to, the Butezi brothers, the investigative contradictions, the fabrication theory. Exactly. We're gonna talk about that. I'm gonna do a video. Please make sure you are here for it. I'm gonna do it. These people are bold and the gang defending nonsense, not even a tiny drop of evidence aligned with their accused. Nabo bayabona ukuthi siyabhedelwa in that court. Yeah. Guys, please kindly like the live. Like. Can you live, guys, please? In case you forgot to like, kindly like, please. But one thing I must tell you, Muzi is cooking Baloy. Muzi is frying Baloy. Muzi, yes, he's such a darling in that courtroom. He is like Not gonna go down without a fight. If you thought you were going to, hey, if you thought you were going to just come here, yeah, but this thing of undermining people over it. Now you are a PhD holder. You are dealt with by someone who's got matric or even grade 11 if he did not pass his matric. You are being dribbled now by someone who is not a degree holder while you have all levels of the degree. Isn't that embarrassing for Mr. Baloyi? Isn't that embarrassing on its own? An entire degree holder, Sana, has been dealt with by someone who does not have any degree. It's 2 o'clock or 2 minutes before 2. I'll see you after 4. I don't know. I feel a bit dizzy. I think what you call my iron is low. But I cooked the spinach yesterday and eat it up, and beetroot. I've got iron issues. Uyalwa umuzi. I agree. Even DNA yabakhipha, indeed. Not only Jonas, all the previous interpreters at Yeshurun. My wish is for Ntanzi to watch very carefully how Moses is dealing with Baloyi, not to show his bruised emotions. Yes. How is Musi cooking Baloyi when he contradicts his own attorney and blames it on language? You are stupid, Mos, now. You are fucking stupid. I can't. You are stupid. You are more stupid than I realize. The more you open your mouth, the stupider you become, Dasekai. So there's nothing I can do for you. I see Jendo trying to disrespect her. He doesn't like women, that one, does he? Does he? Anyway, guys, it's 2. I'll see you at 4 o'clock. Let me recharge so that if Christopher comes again, I'll be able to answer him, because right now I'm bored. Christopher, don't go to places where you know they are stand. Here, I'm not a journalist. I say what I want. Ne? I'm not a journalist. I say what I want. So I'm gonna come for you if you are going to come for nonsense here. See you at 4, Vusumuzi. See you at 4, guys. Thank you so much. We will deliberate on this at 4. It's 2 now. Bye-bye. I love you.